Are you someone who is chasing all different AI tools which are in the market to learn AI powered automation testing, or to become AI powered software tester in the industry and learning everything in AI just by learning AI tools? Then let me tell you, my friend, you are doing some wrong thing. Because tell me one thing, if you are chasing different AI tools, how many AI tools are there? Maybe 10, 20, 30, 50 and all those things. Okay, so there are so many AI tools, and if you are learning one, what is the probability that you go in an organization and the same AI tool you can get? So in order to becoming or learning AI or be ready with AI, you have to chase the skills which are involved in the AI, rather than chasing AI tools. Just AI tools are not going to help you grow in the career along with AI. So what need to be done in that case? In that case, you have to be ready with all the roadmaps, what is happening in the industry, what is happening into the automation testing, software testing, what are different ways you can implement AI in your software automation, or in the QA field. Okay, so you may ask now, Amit, what is the good way to learn AI and implement it in software testing, or learning AI and then implementing and then growing into the career? So let me tell you a step-by-step process in which I am going to, if I were someone who is learning AI and implementing in my day-to-day task and all, then how would I be approaching this AI thing? So first of all, I would take help of these tools like ChatGPT, Gemini and all. So these tools help a lot. So whatever, for example, if you are writing manual test cases or understanding certain requirements, or understanding a particular bug, so understanding, writing scenarios, writing code, you can take help of all of these tools at the first hand itself. So if you know how to talk with these AI tools and all, getting better and better answers to these from these AI tools, that is the first skill which you need. So in here basically AI prompt engineering is very, very helpful. Then once you have mastered all of this, you are working with ChatGPT or Gemini on daily basis, then comes the process of integrating these tools into your current automation or current tasks, whatever you are doing, whether it's test data generation, whether it's writing test automation code, creating framework and all those things, writing scenarios and all those things. So for that, what you can do, you can build the custom utilities for your project itself, where you are, for example, there is a Jira. There are a lot of Jira which have all the requirements in your project, right? And those Jiras can be read automatically, with some integration, and with that actually you can get all the requirements in the in a particular way, and then you can send that requirement into the ChatGPT via API, and then you can build some utility which can give the stories on top of it. So maybe stories or writing manual scenarios. So you can build such type of custom utilities. So another example could be like, if you are building a utility to generate XPaths for you automatically. So for example, you can fetch DOM which contains all the HTML tags and all, and you can fetch the DOM and you can send that particular DOM into the ChatGPT or via API basically, and then you can build a prompt that you give something XPaths of all the buttons present on that particular page. So in that way, that utility is gonna give you all the XPaths to you on that. So this is some of the ways you can enhance or use these utilities in your project. Like that, there could be multiple use cases through which you can generate different things. Now coming to the most advanced things, which is building AI agents. That could be another thing, right? So building AI agents, like for example, you are following a process of what? For example, if I give you example of you are doing automation reporting, right? You have executed your test, and then whatever failed scenarios are there, you are re-triggering them twice or thrice, and then once they are running in 2-3 times, then you can have the analysis of those failures, and then you can send the particular scenarios to respective teammates in the team. So in here basically you are combining all different tools. Maybe you have a reporting page in Wiki, Confluence Wiki, of which Jira is also a tool. So in Confluence you are updating the reports of execution. So you can fetch the Jira, you can create Jira, you can update the wiki, and you can ask AI agent to do all of these things basically. So there are set of tasks which you can give to AI agent. You can create AI agents for, and it can perform certain tasks for you. So you can automate these processes also using AI agents. So how to build these AI agents? There are multiple tools are there, like LangGraph is there, like there are AutoGen is there. There are so many frameworks are there which can help you building all these custom AI agents. So you can use these things, and once you have built all of this, I think you can be much more productive. You are building efficient AI agents which can make the process more efficient and productive. So that's how you can uplift yourself in the learning of AI. Okay, so this is some of the ways I would learn and I would implement in my current job in order to become AI ready automation tester. Now the next question will come, okay Amit, we understood, but how to understand this? There are so many clutter all around internet, right? So how to learn this, how to understand what is happening, where is what? We are listening so many things all around. So how to grasp all of this in a structured manner? So for that I am going to conduct a webinar on 4th of October, and the link of the webinar is in the description. So let me take you on the screen and I'll show you how you can register to that particular webinar, so that you can get all the structured things and how and what it is going to be about. So let me share my screen. So over here, if you see, this is the future of QA AI testing roadmap 2025 and beyond. This is very limited seats, so only 300 seats are left, and once these seats are filled, then you won't be getting chance to attend this. So I'm going to attach the link in the description and pinned comment, and you can go and register yourself in the webinar. And over here, if you see, what are we going to learn in this? This is going to be a step-by-step AI roadmap for manual automation or QA tester. So everyone who is from manual testing background, automation background, QA testers background, they are going to have a step-by-step AI roadmap. Clear insights into the market trends and hiring shift, how the hiring is changing and market is changing, and also how, if you are a manual tester, then how you can transition from manual to automation AI in order to become AI ready tester, and skills and tools that top companies are expecting testers to master, and action steps to stand out in the interviews and secure roles with AI related advantages. So this is a paid webinar, to be honest, and in here so right now it is showing like this, but if you go inside book seat, this is very nominal price. In here, if you want to have a recording session, then you can let it check the checkbox, and if not, then you can uncheck and you can go for confirm details, and you can easily book the webinar by providing your details. That was all in this particular video. Go and check out the link and book your seat right now, because this is very exclusive webinar, and if you do late, then you may miss the spot. So immediately go and check out the link and book your seat. See you in the webinar.